If you need to temporarily lock your HSBC card for security reasons, follow these simple steps to ensure your card is protected. Step 1. Open the HSBC app. Launch the HSBC mobile banking app on your smartphone. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the Card Management section. This is typically found in the main menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Select your card. In the Card Management section, find the card you wish to lock. Tap on it to access more options related to that specific card. Step 4. Lock your card. Look for the option that says Lock Card or Temporarily Lock Card. Tap this option and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that your card is locked. Step 5. Verify lock status. After locking the card, check the status to ensure it is indeed locked. You should see a confirmation message or an indication that the card is currently locked. By following these steps, you can easily lock your HSBC card to prevent unauthorized use. If you need further assistance, consider contacting HSBC customer support.